classmates! Section E! Palakpakan naman po dyan! Ito ang series na buminag sa ating mga puso. And hindi na natin matatagalin pa, ladies and gentlemen. Ipapakilala na natin ang ating panel for Book 2. This is the series was led by the Trinity of Rabbit Angeles, Ashton Olviga, and Andres Bulak. Kung matatandaan natin, they'll all be returning for Book 2. And this is a true example of how, once again, Studio Viva and Viva One remain committed in delivering brand new content. So, Book 2 coming out very soon. Let's call in our panelists para sa pangalawang bahagi ng ating programa. Is everybody ready? Section E! That's good to hear. Very reassuring. Thank you so much. First, the cast members of Ang Mutyalang Section E session. Are you ready for Book 2? Okay, so get your Section E! Section E! Hey, Section E! Section E! That's more like it, everybody! Ayan, so tatalabayan natin for this panel is Beyond the Bestseller. Staying fresh in the next installment of a successful series. They have the weight of the world on their shoulders. I'm sure madami dito gusto talaga nung una nating series eh. So hot off the heels of that, paano kaya nila i-follow? So this next question goes out to Charles, Ethan, Kurt, and Michael. Gusto natin marinig ang inyong mga tinig. Pick your brains about this question. How are you guys preparing to bring your character to life sa Book 2? Especially, you want to grow layers now and show a brand new side. So paano nyo naman gagawin yun? Let's start off with Charles.
Sa Book 2 po kasi, dito mo talaga natin makikita ang totoong ugali ng mga ibang character. Marami pong moments dito sa Book 2 na makikita natin na ay, may pinagdadaanan pa rin si ganito, may galit pa rin si ganito kay ganito. So, ayun po, I think it's very important for us actors na marami po na maigi yung backstory ng bawat character para mas naiintindihan po namin. Ayun po.
Palalalimin pa natin yung pagkaka-intindi natin sa mga characters nila. Up next, we have Ethan David.
Hello po! Ang dami nito today. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta sa book fair namin. Like what Charles said, dito naman yung makikita yung story arc ng bawat characters. May in love, may magiging red flag, may magiging red flag. First, dark side siya, dito yung makikita yung kulong ng bawat characters.
Thank you so much for that. Now for Kurt and Michael, what excites you the most about your character's upcoming journey? I'll start with Kurt. Yeah.
Na-excite po ako sa mga nakakagulat na transformation ng mga characters and makikita po natin yung character development ng bawat isa sa amin na magmamature po kami. Most especially, yung revelation sa mga past ng bawat isa sa amin, ma-uungkat.
Thank you so much for that. Okay?
I think the part I'm most excited for is to see kung paano yung section yung outside of section. Siyempre, lahat naman yung excited pa namin sa show. Parang lagi pa kami nasa school. So, to see our endeavors outside of school, to see what makes our characters who we are, dun talaga na section.
Pamanapalabit guys, can't miss kung susunod na season na ito. Okay, so make sure subscribe kayo sa Viva One. Capiche? Comprende? Alright, so we have a question this time for Mr. Ryan Benitez. Mr. Ryan, ano yung mga preparations mo for your premiere? Gaganap ka na dito sa buhay. Magkakaroon ka na dito. Hindi, yan. I'm being facetious, guys. Okay, I meant that in jest. Seriously, though. Seriously, eto na. What strategies do you use to help creators or showrunners craft a fresh world? Or have our characters more fresh and more fleshed out without necessarily alienating what we've established from book 1?
When we develop a Wattpad story into a screenplay, one of the things that we consider para magkaroon ng fresh take yung story or yung characters is that we take into consideration yung fan feedback. and which is one of the special qualities ng Wattpad story. Kasi yung course on Wattpad, may immediate reaction or feedback from the fans. And minsan, pag nagsusulat yung Wattpad author, nag-incorporate niya agad yun, kapag sinusulat yung story niya, or minsan naman pag tapos yung story, hindi na siya nagiging part ng story. But we're grateful na yung Wattpad stories, nagkakaroon sila ng sariling buhay, even outside Wattpad. So, we work with the creator to get yung feedback ng fans about particular characters or scenes na pwede natin ma-incorporate doon sa adaptation. Even mga include mga fan art, mga recurring feedback ng fans about particular characters na pwede natin gamitin sa adaptation.
But Mr. Ryan, I'm very serious about what I said from a while ago. Any chance at a cameo for book 2?
Grabe kinabahan ako.
Yan, magka-cameo siya. Tsaka si author need more to be happy. Malay naman natin, di ba? Baka naman siya. Okay. So for Miss Lara, this next question is for you. What are some new directions or themes that you're exploring na hindi natalakay ng book 1?
Mas deeper, like, serious na siya. Pero sa book 1, kasi sa book 1, parang getting to know each other, parang pero this time, nandito na yung mga pagsubok talaga. So, mas deeper kasi sa pagsubok from book 1.
Hey, bigger, bigger, bigger. That's the way to go. Okay, so for this next batch of questions, ready your mics, Kyosu, Martin, Andre, and Sarah. Okay, so for Kyosu and Martin first. Ito yung tanong natin, how will you balance fan expectations from book 1 with your own fresh take on the role? We want to know. Let's start with Kyosu.
Always faithful sa paggawa ng mga Wattpad adaptation. And yes, binamodify yung mga ilang details sa characters. And ayun, but as much as possible, stay kami doon sa kung saan minahal ng mga readers yung characters. Yun lang.
Thank you, Kyosu. Martin this time.
Siyempre, with almost 400 million reads, iba-iba yung imagination bawat readers. Pero sa AMSE kasi, si author, si Ate Lara Flores, nakipag-work siya sa prod, sa Dave, kung may changes man, malaki or maliit, talagang dumadaan po kay Ate Lara Flores, aka It More to Be Happy. So, and, she knows her material very, very well, more than everyone else. And kami as actors, nakipagkwentuhan kami kay Ate Lara. Chinat ko si Ate Lara before, sabi ko, Ate Lara, nakipagkwentuhan ako ni live ni Denzel. Actually kami lahat, ganun. Nakipagkwentuhan kami ni Ate Lara para ma-adapt namin yung live ng bawat characters namin. So, yun.
Maganda yun para properly guided sila sa mga motivations, di ba? Ng mga characters nila, what exactly they want to achieve, what exactly the end goal is for them, di ba? So, more of that for sure in season 2. Now, I want to ask Andre and Sarah, you actually have the same question. No? So ano yung mga development tungkol sa character niyo na gusto niyong i-tackle? Excited na kayong ma-tackle for this next installment? We wanna know.
Sa book 2 kasi, makikita natin dito yung section E nung wala pa si JJ. So makikita natin yung relationship ng section E, kung paano sila nung hindi mo sila gaano kadikit. Saka siguro yung pinaka-asahan natin at abangan natin dito, kung paano natin makikita konti-unting masisira yung section E. Kasi meron tayong Kiefer at Yuri na situation.
Yeah, exactly. And one thing that I really love about AMSE so yeah, one thing I really loved about AMSE is kung gaano ka-extensive yung cast, and dahil nasa sobrang daming characters, there was really a conscious effort na mabigyan ng highlight yung bawat isa. And you know, one season really wasn't enough, kaya so thankful kami na you guys loved AMSE and supported it as much as you guys did. Na we were given the opportunity to, you know, explore the book too. Dito kasi mas makikilala natin yung bawat character, kung gaano ka-red flag yung iba, yung mga dark casts. And I'm just really excited to unveil, you know, the true colors of each character.
The true colors of each character will soon surface! Guys, nandiyan pa ba kayo? Sino dyan yung may mga hard copy ng Amunyan ng Section E? Angkat nyo naman! Hoy! especially to the author, none other than Eat More to Be Happy, di ba, Miss Lara? So I want to quickly actually ask Miss Lara, how do you keep writing fresh and authentic material when working on a continuing series?
Ay, marami ko talaga akong method, pero yung most effective talaga para sa akin is yung rewinding the scene in my head. Parang pag-put ko siyang i-imagine ano yung nangyari ba ito yun sa pagkakakas. Hanggat hindi ko siya nasusulat, maglalaro ko sa isip ko.
Wow, may fixation. Healthy, unhealthy. Basta guys, no? I love that. I love how committed she is, diba? And continuing to give us great content. Now, paki-on na po ng mic, di Keegan, Derek, and Hans. Sila ang susunod natin tatanungin. Keegan, Derek, and Hans, taas ang kanang kamay. Taas ang kanang paa. Ay! Biro lang po. Ayan, biro lang po. Katuwaan lang po. Ayan. How do we prepare emotionally or mentally for diving back into a character that has a strong fan base ngayong book 2? Let's go ahead with Keegan first.
Bago magsimula yung show, marami talaga kami activities and preparation for it. Para ma-immerse yung actors sa, ayun, sa mga characters nila. And hindi mawawala dun yung acting workshop, yung script reading, and lalong-lalo na yung advice sa actors na basahin nila yung libro at aralin para mas may guide kami sa gagampanan namin character. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Keegan. Derek, take it away.
Siguro, alam naman namin lahat na naging fans yung book, even prior sa adaptation ng series. Sobrang daming imagination and standard yung mga fans, and we're really grateful and thankful sa mga reviews that you guys gave us, na you guys love the characters that we did. So kung parang man sa ginawa for season 1, yun nilang Draven for season 2, and sana magustuhan nyo din guys.
Thank you so much, guys. Yan, may panibago tayo. Gasly! Let's hear it for Hans! Yes, ayun, guys. So, Hans, I want to ask you, no, stepping into an established series like this, paano ka ba nag-prepare?
Honestly, nung una po, kinakabahan po talaga ako kasi syempre, meron na pong strong following yung Butenang section and maganda na rin po yung chemistry na napuo ng isa't isa. Ayan. Pero I made my preparations din po. I watched the season 1 closely, not just to understand the story, but also to support my groupmates and my friends, and also to feel the emotions po, and yung dynamics, and yung... Ay, grabe. Pero, ayun po, I wanted to enter the story with respect, not just as a new actor, but as someone who values the world that they've already built.
Ang tindi! Spell established! Ay,
Galing dali mo!